have you ever wrestled with if/when video games become a sinful activity? I think the easiest way to handle that is to continue to learn to listen to the convicting voice of the Holy Spirit. As we continue to walk with the Lord, spend time in the Word, spend time in prayer, walk with God, we know His voice more and more and more. And whenever the Holy Spirit convicts us over something, in reference to video games, if we're being convicted over a video game, whether content or just how much time and energy we're putting into it, we need to be willing to submit to that and say, I feel that conviction, that check in my spirit, and something needs to change here. If it's becoming an idol in our life, if it's something that's taking all of our time, energy, attention, we need to be willing to say, hit the mic, say, I'm going to lay this down, or I'm going to walk away. I don't need this in my life. I want you more. If it's something that's inciting sin inside of us, because we all have different sinful proclivities and inclinations. Things that tempt me might not tempt you. Things that tempt you might not tempt me. So there may be things in certain games that you can't play that wouldn't affect me, and things that I can't play that wouldn't affect you. The example I've used before is early on in streaming. I've never been a horror person. I don't really like horror stuff. But I'll keep playing. But I tried out Resident Evil 2, the remake, and really enjoyed it. I thought, whoa, what the heck? Oh, okay. Wait, I can go down here, but that still doesn't help me. I said no. And thought, I was like, oh, this game, it was awesome. I really enjoyed it. It was great. So, no issues, no problem. I was like, well, I'm going to try out another game in the series. The newest one at that time was Resident Evil 7. And so I bought the game, full price. It was brand new. Bought it on Steam, $60, whatever. Started playing it on stream, and within about an hour, I switched back to just chatting, said, guys, I'm sorry, I can't play this game. I'm not saying you can't play this game, but I can't. This is not sitting well with my spirit. I'm convicted over this. I can't do this. So we did something else, and I just didn't know you could get refunds, so I lost $60. But we need to be willing to listen to the conviction of the Holy Spirit and say, okay, this is not something I need in my life.